spring cleaning. Spring cleaning does a number of different things for you. Not only does it clear your space, but it helps clear your mental clutter. You don't have to think about like organizing these things. You don't have to think about cleaning out. You actually just do it. And once it's cleaned out, it's such a more sense of peace when you sleep, when you get up in the morning. It's remarkable.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of spring cleaning. In fact, I used to use cleaning as procrastination to not get other things done because everything had to be clean and organized before I could start any other project. So it absolutely does help to relieve your mental stress when your physical state is more organized. And if you need help with this, there are some great people out there who actually make a living on helping you organize things, because often you don't see your own clutter. You don't see your own systems. You don't see what's working and what's not working. You just know that the space feels yucky.
And they know the right questions to ask.
Totally.
Because we get so emotionally attached to certain things or certain items of clothing that we'll never get rid of. But asking the right questions makes a huge difference when cleaning out.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Oh, I was just going to say the other thing to consider when you are spring cleaning is decreasing your toxic load. So using vinegar instead of some nice smelling cleaning product will definitely decrease your toxic load. Where you're inhaling, you usually don't even need to wear gloves if you're using vinegar to clean.
No, and open the windows, right? Get some fresh air. We don't need air fresheners. The air is actually fresh. We just need to open the windows. So air out your house, use as many natural products as you can, and happy spring. Happy your mental clutter. See you soon.